Nanoscience is the world of molecules, atoms, and subatomic particles. Nanoscience is the study of phenomena in manipulating the materials at nanoscale. It is the extension of existing science into the nanometer range. And nanotechnology is the design, characterization, production, and applications of structure, device, and systems by controlling the shape and size at the nanoscale. Here are some magnified images of nanostructures. The materials having the size of the particles, crystals, or any of its dimensions like length, width, in the range of 1 to 100 nanometers is known as nanomaterial. Some examples of nanomaterials are nanoparticles, fullerene, nanowires, carbon nanotubes, graphene, and nanosheets. The most important point is that the same materials behaves differently at nanoscale. As we go on towards reducing the size of the material to the nanoscale from the molecular level, the properties get modified due to the size effects. In a macro world, we know that the properties of the materials are derived by its atomic makeup. Each material is identified by its unique atomic structure and exhibits properties according to its electronic configuration. In this world, even if we reduce the size of the material, the properties remain same. The chemical properties like its color, conductivity, hardness, etc. will depend on the material it is made up of, but not on the size of that object. Think of a copper rod. According to the atomic makeup and electronic configuration of the copper atom, this rod will exhibit some specific properties like conductivity, ductility, hardness, and so on. If we cut this rod into small and smaller pieces, each of this piece will exhibit same property as that of the originally taken big rod. Now, if we keep on reducing the size of this copper rod up to the size of few nanometers, the properties exhibited will be different than that of the bulk or macro scale copper. The bulk copper is ductile metal with very high thermal and electrical conductivity. And the morphology of nanocopper is round and it appears as a brown to black in color. Nano copper particles of less than 15 nanometer size are super hard materials that does not exhibit the same malleability and ductility as the bulk copper. We can also take the example of nano gold particles. This is a gold art piece. The red, blue, green colors seen in this painting are nano gold particles of different sizes. Different colors of gold are obtained by reducing the size of nanoparticles. The color of the gold nanoparticles changes with the size, which can be seen here that 100 nanometer nano gold particles appear yellow in color, whereas 90 nanometer gold particles look green. Similarly, silver illustrates unique properties at the nanoscale. The 100 nanometer silver particles have triangular in shape and they appear red. At 90 nanometer, they look sky blue in color, and at 40 nanometers, they look dark blue in color. Actually, these nanoparticles interact differently with light as compared to the larger scale particles. Different colors can be depending on the size and shape of the nano gold and nano silver particles.